What's your friend? Salamatu, Madam Salamatu, Salamatu, yeah. Let's do so many of them with difference in the womb.
Salt.
Okay, you know, we are no more in Guna. What did you do? Another domino.
And I used to know a domino.
No, I'm to become. Okay. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. So palm tree is one of the richest tree on earth and it has so many benefits. We get so many things from palm tree. You can get palm oil, palm wine, palm kernel oil, a lot. We make soup with palm nut. And watch out for all these recipes coming live on Cooking with Sindaco. What patching process and how are Nyamano Ekofa?
If I try, met me at
okay.
You man eba has 25 years. 25 years.
Okay.
Now I'm paying him and all this you may eba. Now what a ma ano umbe decide you may day. That you may day and what factory. Now and what factory near the year dinkwa. Nemo, the idea samana and so come. It is samana no your pet a bet. Enyano na omude aye beauty say we say enye so share abe ya wa ya enye enu wudi a enye ye
okay
etisa na ye samana ye ye king soap
abe we de king soap
me pa cha ye de king soap ah
wow
eti abe na ye no we no eye king soap
sabe na mo agree kene mo wodi bi on fefe we den type
we ya agree
okay okay okay, we the more you need if
you no so ye yantu
sa mo dey
soja
okay
yantu mu na bibia no ha be bibia no ya tugu
okay
ya di soja na ya kama
enka wa finisi kwa anka etu wa praye moda nanu ne ka say se wa ko to ti sense you know.
Yeah, so it's really amazing, interesting to see this kind of stuff, what they go through and the process that they used to produce as some of the food that we eat. And it's my first time hearing that we use, what do you call it, palm nut to do key soap and soup. Like first time hearing this, it was amazing.
Papa,
so after we've taken the palm nuts from down or for the first phase, they'll bring everything over here for boiling, and this is the boiling process. So they'll separate the one that will be used for the soap and the one that they eat. They don't mix everything together. They make separation. So this is how they add water to it. Do you have the poly tank? Basically, how many hours has that been?
Yeah, 1 hour. 20 minutes we be kan ho.
1 hour 20 minutes and 1 hour 30 minutes and be e be depend again so egu ase.
Ah, sa na tie. E be usho ja na ntam dia na 1 hour kwa de tin.
Am mu ye zomi. E we zomi na. Eh de ngupa.
Ya bia ye sem na ye bi so ayeti.
Edi ba mu ye ngo. Ba se ye zomi. Okay. Na zomi ni ada ngo difference be na wo mu.
Zomi no mo de nchene egum. Nchene. Salt. Mo de nchene egum.
Okay, you know, we are no man in Guna, wouldn't you go another
zomi no ana ayi nso so no mo zomi no o mo ma asie e bi so ha asie wo asie nkompuro
no o ti bi kan o okay every time
chano
Ope so dia no. Ope so dia. E de se ba ko no.
Pati bisu. Munya na ya nwa no. Ade se wa hu. We de na bom.
So o te sa sabia. Okay. Abi. Do where they did no. Okay. It's a bia insu na wumbe ndai.
Fa.
Negu form. Okay. Okay. Wow.
It is a true for am abe. Yeah, yes sa esro na
ka se na no mobie. Nte bo twama no dwu kran sama sesa.
Ka cho da bi. No ne she no. Ne she na ma won
pie. Won pie. Okay, that ebeda. Okay.
Ne she na ma tie ba won
she wow. So after the nut is okay, this is how we transport everything to the machine for them to pound, yeah. And everything must be done when hot, because when it gets dry or get cold, the oil will also get cold. I don't think a sack every few things. Okay. Ati munya mbum.
Ya obia onedi.
Ati bakunya wi ansa na okay. Okay. God really bless our women, our mothers. They'll do everything to put food on the table. Under the sun, all the struggles they've been through, they never give up. This is a real definition of hard work and determination. Red oil or palm oil is one of the popular oil that we have in Ghana, and it has so many processing sites in Ghana. But some of the locals or some of the processing sites use real manpower to process this oil. So I believe it's time the government should focus its energy or its resource to these locals to help them or supply them with the processing machine so that the workflow will be easy. People are willing to work, but since the processing machine is less, it makes them use energy, real energy. This will also help our mothers who are involved in this kind of production. I've been to the northern part and they use real energy to prepare shea butter, which I believe in Ghana in this 21st century is not. Government should really help, and I believe NGOs can also put their support in this. Thank you. And to you watching, the best thing that you can do to support these locals or this community or these workers is by buying or patronizing the made in Ghana goods or product that they produce. Yeah, record.
On my FM 107.1 live back. the big 8 dance man.
Boy, day.
Yeah, you are.
I do not feel. No, where is said me ache? Said me where ache? Is that many years ni? Wow.
Zola. Me wanna meet me. Me wanna meet me now. Me wanna me yamashimi. Sena ni na yo don't kwa.
Yeah, so this is the process of making red oil, and you need to boil it. You need to boil it to get the 100% pure palm oil, red oil. So, I don't do sorghum. I told you sorghum.
I wouldn't sorghum. Who are
N2. And so you need a bit too. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't do Jenny account.
I see a bit.
I'm okay. Into Ezomiana. Okay. Man, this is interesting. So we just added our oil, we added water to it, and she's about to add onions to it. Or simply because since we're about to consume this oil, she needs to add onions to it so that it will be like it will have that flavor, yeah, that perfume kind of aroma. No? So the onion is an option, and is this how many hours?
What is this side on here say?
Back 1 hour. And the difference here, then it's a beginning. Difference here, then. But the Domoto market, no, General Manager. Jenny. Ah, okay. Okay. Into we be in him. Most of us na number here go. I mean, so good. And one, okay. But we must not so. Yeah, so that's it. This is how red oil production is done, or it's being processed. Hope you've enjoyed yourself watching the video. Yeah, if you do, kindly give us a huge thumbs up, share, comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a brother that Cooking with Sindaco is bringing you new stuff every day. Let's do this again for Shizzle Manizzle. I'm out. Okay, so if you want red palm oil, yeah, or you want oil to make soap, you can contact what's your friend say? Salamatu, Madam Salamatu, yeah. Yeah. You can contact our mom, Salamatu, and what's your telephone there?
Your number is 0547.
Okay, so you can contact Mama Salamatu 054 7048 984. Yeah, 054 7048 984. Yeah, so when you call her, tell her that you saw the video on YouTube or Facebook, and you want red palm oil, yeah, and she'll sort you out. Yeah, okay, yeah.
Me don't feel be friend of mommy. Why never cross Eleni? Be friend of mommy. Honey, oh, coyacho. Oh, da beba. You will be yourself. Yana be a machine. cross and journey, oh, darling. To be friend of mommy, honey, oh, boy, I chose. The bell or the bell.